Hello everyone, this is Brittany Beatty from the Alexander City campus. I wanted to show you guys a couple of things in Blackboard to hopefully help all of us grade a little easier. So what you're going to do is log in to your new Blackboard account. And I don't know if you guys know this or not, but Paige Scott today created an English faculty Blackboard shell so that we could share resources easier. We are all listed as instructors, so we can all upload information, documents as needed. So if you'll click on courses, it looks like this one right here. It's the CAC English Faculty Resources. And I have already uploaded a rubric for English 101 and 102 into this course. Now, Blackboard is not doing a very good job making things accessible. What I had to do is create a dummy assignment in one of my courses and attach the rubric to it, and then I had to share that assignment to the faculty resource page. So what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to copy the assignment into your courses, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do to get the English 101 and 102 rubric into your Blackboard courses is you're going to go back to your Blackboard's dashboard and click on CAC Spring 2022 and click on whatever course you want to add it to. You should only have to do this in one course, and then the rubric will be yours for all of your courses. I'm going to add it to my English 99 course just so I can show you how to do it. So you click on your Blackboard course, and then when you come up to the content page, you're going to click on these three dots underneath the word Student Preview. Then click Copy Content. Do not click Import. Click Copy Content. And you want to copy from the faculty resources. Click on Course Content, and then there's the rubric copy. So I'm going to check that box, and then I'm going to click Copy Selected Content. And it's going to have this little spinny circle here. That's going to stay there until you X out of the course. But if you want to check to make sure it's there, what you're going to do is you're going to add, hold on just a second. There we go. You're going to add an assignment. It can be a dummy assignment worth 0 points. You're going to keep it hidden from students so no one can see it, but you're going to add an assignment, and next to the assignment settings on your assignment screen, you're going to click that little gear, and then you're going to scroll down towards the bottom, and it says Use Grading Rubric. Click on Add Grading Rubric, and then it says English 101, 102. You're just going to check that box and then click Add. And then you're going to click Save. And what that is going to do is it's going to upload that rubric into your course. So there is not going to be a place in your course where you can just go look at the rubric. You will have to create an assignment, and then you'll have to add the rubric to the assignment to be able to see it. But you can then click on the rubric and you can look at it. It's exactly like the rubric that we have on paper. It's just formatted for the Blackboard course. So it's there for you. I hope this makes your life a little bit easier. I do not know all there is to know about Blackboard, but if I can help in any way, feel free to email me. If I don't know the answers, I will figure out how to answer your questions. So that's all for now. Thanks, guys.